Teamwork and collaboration. Building and managing teams' conflict resolution strategies. The power of collaboration. Introduction. No leader succeeds alone. One of the most essential skills for young leaders stepping into the world of financial literacy advocacy is the ability to work effectively in teams. Whether you're leading a coffee club in a school, collaborating with fellow volunteers, or engaging community partners, your ability to build, inspire, and manage teams will determine the impact and sustainability of your leadership. This module focuses on understanding teamwork and collaboration as key pillars of leadership. It will help you learn how to build teams, resolve conflicts, and harness collaboration to achieve powerful results in your financial literacy projects and beyond. 1. Why teamwork matters in leadership. A team is not just a group of people working together, it is a collection of individuals united by a common vision and purpose. In the context of Coffee Hub, that purpose is clear: empowering schools and communities with financial literacy. Teamwork is vital because shared responsibility makes big goals achievable. Different strengths mean members bring diverse skills and ideas. Collaboration inspires innovation, leading to better solutions. Collective resilience helps teams overcome challenges. Think of a football team. No matter how talented the striker is, they cannot win without defenders, midfielders, and a goalkeeper. Likewise, as a young leader, you need others to complement your skills, keep you accountable, and multiply your impact. 2. Building and managing teams. A. Choosing the right people. Strong teams start with the right people. When building a team, look for shared values and commitment, people who believe in the mission of financial literacy. Complementary skills. If you're good at speaking, maybe someone else is great at planning or technology. Reliability. Commitment is more important than talent if the person is dependable. Tip: in schools, recruit enthusiastic teachers, motivated students, and supportive parents for coffee clubs. B. Defining roles and responsibilities. Teams fail when responsibilities are unclear. Every team member should know what their role is: teacher trainer, club coordinator, event organizer, communications lead, etc. What success looks like in their role. Who to report to and how their work connects to the team's goals. A clear structure reduces confusion, increases accountability, and ensures no task is overlooked. C. Creating a shared vision. A powerful way to unify a team is by creating a shared vision. Instead of just saying, "We are teaching financial literacy," frame it as, "We are raising a generation of young people who understand money, make smart decisions, and break the cycle of poverty." This vision gives meaning to every activity, from leading a budgeting exercise in class to printing flyers for community awareness. D. Motivating and inspiring teams. Young leaders must master the art of motivation. Strategies include appreciation. Celebrate small wins, such as a successful school session. Inclusion. Listen to ideas from everyone, even the quietest member. Growth opportunities. Give members chances to lead parts of projects. Recognition. Publicly acknowledge contributions during meetings or events. E. Managing team dynamics. Every team will face challenges, personality differences, unequal effort, or conflicting opinions. As a leader, encourage open communication so issues don't build up. Address conflicts early, more on this later. Balance workload fairly. Led by example, your attitude sets the tone for the team. 3. Conflict resolution strategies. Conflict is natural in any team. The difference between failing teams and successful ones is how they handle conflict. A. Understanding types of conflict. Task conflict, disagreement about how to approach a project. Relationship conflict. Personality clashes, misunderstandings, or differences in style. Value conflict, differing beliefs or priorities. Task conflict can be healthy, it sparks innovation. Relationship and value conflicts require more careful handling. B. Conflict resolution skills. Listen actively, hear the other person without interrupting. Seek understanding, ask, what exactly is the issue? Focus on the problem, not the person. Don't blame, address behavior or process. Encourage compromise. Both sides may need to give something up. Use mediation. Involve a neutral third party if necessary. Example: if two team members disagree on how to run a school workshop, instead of choosing sides, facilitate a brainstorming session where both present ideas and the team decides together. C. Preventing conflict. Be clear about expectations. Respect cultural and personal differences, important for global teams. Build trust by being consistent and transparent. Encourage feedback regularly, not just when problems arise. 4. The power of collaboration. Teamwork is powerful, but collaboration goes beyond your immediate team. Collaboration means working with external individuals, organizations, or communities to expand your impact. A. Collaboration in schools. To lead financial literacy in schools, you'll need to collaborate with teachers, for scheduling and classroom integration. Principals, for approval and support. Students, as active participants and peer ambassadors. Parents, to reinforce lessons at home. B. Collaboration in communities. Collaboration doesn't end at the school gate. You can expand impact by partnering with youth groups or NGOs running empowerment programs. Local businesses willing to sponsor materials. Community leaders who influence acceptance and support. C. Global collaboration. As Coffee Hub grows worldwide, you can collaborate across continents. Sharing resources, curricula, lesson plans, best practices. Cross-cultural learning. What works in Nigeria may also help in Nepal or Brazil. Online collaboration tools like Zoom, Slack, or Trello for teamwork across time zones. 5. Practical tools for teamwork and collaboration. To manage teams effectively, young leaders should use both mindset tools and digital tools. Mindset tools. Empathy, put yourself in others' shoes. Patience, not everyone works at the same speed. Respect, treat every opinion as valuable. Digital tools. Communication, WhatsApp, Slack, or Microsoft Teams. Project management, Trello, Asana, Notion. Collaboration, Google Docs, Canva, for posters, flyers, Zoom. These tools make teamwork smoother, especially for global collaboration. 6. Case studies of teamwork in action. A successful coffee club in Kenya. A team of 4 young leaders started a coffee club in Nairobi. They divided roles: one handled lesson delivery, another communication with teachers, one managed reporting, and another coordinated parent engagement. By working as a team, they reached over 500 students in 1 year. B. A conflict in Nigeria. 2 young leaders disagreed on whether to use printed textbooks or digital slides for teaching. The conflict slowed progress. The team held a meeting, listened to both sides, and decided to combine approaches using printed books for younger students and slides for older ones. The conflict, once resolved, led to a stronger solution. See a global collaboration example. Leaders in Malawi and Cameroon collaborated online, sharing strategies and resources. By learning from each other, both improved their club's effectiveness and inspired others across Africa to adopt similar approaches. 7. Practical exercises. Team mapping exercise. List your current team members and their roles. Are there any gaps? Who could fill them? Conflict role play. In pairs, act out a conflict between 2 team members and practice resolving it constructively. Collaboration brainstorm. Identify at least 3 potential collaborators, schools, NGOs, businesses, in your community and outline how you can approach them. 8. Reflection questions. What strengths do you bring to a team, and what do you need from others? How do you usually respond to conflict, avoidance, aggression, or problem solving? Who in your community could you collaborate with to expand your impact? Conclusion. Teamwork and collaboration are essential leadership skills for young people building careers through Coffee Hub. By learning to build strong teams, resolve conflicts, and collaborate beyond your group, you can multiply your impact and sustain the financial literacy movement in schools and communities worldwide. Remember, alone you can go fast, but together you can go far. As you practice teamwork and collaboration, you are not only achieving results, you are learning the skills of leadership that will define your entire career path.